purchase money's fine. Yeah, yeah. Purchase money's fine. Yeah, yeah. Article 9's a secure transaction game in town. Security, interest, and collateral. Let's break it down. Attachment step 1. 3 things gotta be true. Without all 3 together, there's no interest for you. Value gotta be given, debtors gotta have rights. In the collateral pledge, that's the second of the fights. Third's an authenticated agreement signing describing the goods, or the secured parties got possession like a pledge would. All 3 at once, that's when attachment is complete. Now the interest enforceable, the debtor can't retreat. PMSI is a special one, secures the price you paid. Purchase money for the goods, that's how the loan was made. Perfection's how you tell the world this collateral's mine. File it or possess it, or control it, that's the line. Financing statement needs the debtor's name. Secured party 2. Description of the collateral, that's the filing crew. That's the filing crew. PMSI in goods gets 20 days to perfect and win. Inventory PMSI needs it perfected before it comes in. Plus notice to the other guys who filed on that same line. Get it right, get priority. That purchase money's fine. Yep. Purchase money's perfect by possession, pledge the goods, hold them tight. Money instruments, tangible chattel paper, that's the site. Perfect by control for deposit accounts and investment property. Electronic chattel paper 2 controls the guarantee. PMSI and consumer goods, automatic perfection's the deal. No filing needed there at all, that's the special appeal. Proceeds of collateral, the interest follows through. Sell the goods, get cash and new goods. The liens attached to you. Commingled cash proceeds, trace it if you can. Lowest intermediate balance is the tracing plan. Description and agreements gotta reasonably identify all assets, fails there. But on financing statements, it can fly. Perfection's how you tell the world this collateral's mine. Fine, file it or possess it, or control it, that's the line. Financing statement needs the debtor's name. Secured party 2. Description of the collateral, that's the filing crew. That's the filing crew. PMSI in goods gets 20 days to perfect and win. Inventory PMSI needs it perfected before it comes in. Plus notice to the other guys who filed on that same line. Get it right, get priority. That purchase money's fine. Now here's the twist they love to test, so listen to the catch. After required property clauses, most of the time attached, but consumer goods say no unless it's within 10 days. And commercial tort claims never fall in the after required maze. Financing statements filed where the debtor is found by law. Registered entity, state of organization, no flaw. Individual debtor, state of their residence instead. Get the filing spot wrong, and your priority's dead. Perfection's how you tell the world this collateral's mine. File it or possess it, or control it, that's the line. Financing statement needs the debtor's name. Secured party 2. Description of the collateral, that's the filing crew. That's the filing crew. PMSI in goods get 20 days to perfect and win. Inventory PMSI needs it perfected before it comes in. Plus notice to the other guys who filed on that same line. Get it right, get priority. That purchase money's fine. Value rights agreement, that's attachment. Don't forget, file, possess, or control. Perfection's how you set for PMSI's 20 days. Or first before the goods arrive. After required works for most. Now, go and ask. Article 9. That purchase money's fine.